Day 36, and I have a coffee from that wonderful man. Um, he's waving. um, right, so I went op shopping this morning and I want to show you what I got. So I got this, which will go around the edge of my pink one, and my pink one is getting its green garden edge so that it's all fluffy. It's called Cuddles anyway. And I got this, which will go around the edge of this one, because I was wondering what I was going to do, and that one is getting out there. Right. And then I got 3 other balls of wool, and each ball of wool was $1.50 each. So 5 balls at $1.50 each is $7.50. Is that right? $5, 5 balls of wool, $1.50 each, $7.50. Good, my maths brain still works. So $7.50, and then I got this for 50 cents, and this for 50 cents, and this for 50 cents, and this for 50 cents. And then I got all of these for $3. So, 1, 2, $5. So for about $12, and if we're doing our maths, $12.50, I got all kinds of great stuff. And now I'm debating whether I'm going to unpull these or I'm going to actually stitch them into a blanket. But these are cotton, and they need a wash. These ones definitely need a wash. They smell like they've been in storage for a little while. So I'll put them in a delicates bag and give them a nice delicate wash. Yeah, so I'm very, very happy with my buys. So I'm thinking, I wanted to show you before I started doing stuff with them. I wanted to show you because everybody's tension is a little bit different. And whoever's made these has done really well, so I'm thinking that I will actually continue and make them into a little cotton baby blanket. They've done their corners differently. Anyway, I'll work that out and pop those ones in the wash. Yeah, and they've come unstuck because they've run out of cotton. So this is an example of cutting your ends too short and not knowing what to do next. But anyway, fix that for the moment, and we'll give those a wash. So anyway, $12.50, and there is a lot to play with in that little purchase, where $12.50 would cost me one ball of wool and wouldn't get me even halfway through a project. So I want to also show you what I did last night. I all of that tapestry wool that my mum gave me, one lot of it I tied all the ends together, and of course it looks like a porcupine when you crochet it all up before you stitch in the edges. But I decided that I would just use the tapestry lengths and make little circles. So the tapestry length just made one little circle. So I made a whole bunch of little circles, and then I joined them together and made one of my little gem bags out of it. So I don't know, it took me longer. It took me much longer to stitch them all together afterwards than weaving in the ends. So the jury's out on how I want to go forward with that. It's so out that sitting in front of the TV last night, I decided that firstly I could make an octopus. So I made an octopus, and with the last little center I made the octopus a hat, and then I tied a series of knots and then stitched them all in and made a shell, and I've left ends so I can tie it to something later. But I'm starting to gather things to stitch onto that blanket, the baby blanket that I was talking about. So what else? I finished the angel wings, and they are just so beautiful. There they are. Yeah. Anyway, angel wings, and they're just beautiful. So if anybody wants angel wings, come talk to me. Now, I'm thinking that I will turn the center of this one into angel wings. So I'm going to half unpull it. And yeah, so I got these from the St Johns shop, and I was partly that thought about angel wings is because these are done on less than a size 4 crochet hook, might be a size 3, and that is like way too small for my eyes to handle. So rather than trying to imitate someone else's handwork, I'm going to repurpose the handwork and make it something that I can work with. So yeah, so I've got a bit of unpulling to do, which will be fun because crochet hook people are pretty good at stitching in their ends mostly, so the start is always the hardest bit. Here we go, and I will gather some nice wool out of this as well. Yeah, anyway, this will be a little fun project for me to get going and have a good day. What's today? Thursday. Hasn't the week flown? I think yeah, it has flown. So I'm going to take this back to where the black lines started. So it'll just be that lovely colourful centre, and I'll probably focus on doing the soft purples, and it's like a little rainbow in there. So maybe I'll make a rainbow hug, a rainbow angel wings. Here we go, and we're off. Oh, this is one of my favourite bits. Yeah. I was also given a whole lot of half rounds of wool by my mum. Oh gosh, this is interesting. They tied it. Ha. No, they didn't. I was just dreaming. So I might use those rainbow half rounds to extend this. It's significantly thicker. Anyway. Right, so I'll see you tomorrow when all the projects that I've got on the go, I will try and get a few finished so they're ready for the market on Sunday. And yeah, have fun out there, take care, and yeah, enjoy. Thank you, Donna, for my new setup. I couldn't put a painting in there, it would all fall over. But anyway, have a good day. Right. Sayonara.